He seeks acceptance. So he seeks out the seemingly spine-tingling, soul-wretched, deep inside his own mind and discards it. Healing, but still deeply divided, he sought out sutures. These he used to find the little things that sagged it, never saving, but at the very least having it from the doubly damning emptiness. Then he woke up to Mr. Quietude, this once quiet dude on the daily demanded, dismembering his desire to dare. He used the resulting peace of mind as an inner tube, rafting him through the landmine empty minds that one might bump into over the course of doing whatever it is we do. Now he misses cricket calls and baby coos. He searches for first glances. He dances at sunrises. He lives for surprises and surmises that you just might be one. Or you. Or you. Or you. Because you matter. No matter who you are or what you've done, more so doubly matter, because matter takes mass, and mass takes space, and the way that your cheeks rise lifts spirits. You are mass and energy, that perfect synergy of vessel and beacon, reaching out, preaching death to doubt. So sing on, sweet singers. Sing life. We're listening. All she wants to do is move. To be the beat, to set the pace tastefully, each blink a seduction, reducing the space-time between your severed hand and her pheromone trail of truth. She twirls it on her tongue, cherry sweet and pitless, the very ideal of All of her life has been this moment, stuck on pause, ensnaring all who see to wants and wishes. The wildness of your heart is noted, the pumping, pushing, screaming of your circled red blood cells on flame is noted. Each synapse, electric and taut, the thump-thump tight as anticipation, heavy as love, the path to interesting as precipitous as cliffs, yet each and every glance they give a gift. It is noted. Breathe in the magic ether that moves stars to spin and burn and burst. They thirst for life. They thirst for love. They thirst for you. So please, be like him. Be like her. Remember to smile today, because the smile you display may be the life raft that saves some other life, because each and every time we choose to be happy, it is noted.